Welcome everyone to our presentation on CSS Grid. Today we'll be discussing how CSS Grid has revolutionized front-end layout design, the current state of browser support, and how to gracefully handle older or non-supporting browsers. We'll also look at strategies to implement progressive enhancement and provide fallback solutions. Let's dive in. One of the biggest considerations when adopting a new technology is ensuring that your users' browsers can handle it. Fortunately, CSS Grid is supported by the majority of modern browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and the newer versions of Edge. For older browsers, we need to implement some strategies to ensure that our page doesn't break. Progressive enhancement is a strategy where you begin with a basic, functional design so that your site works on all browsers. Then, the user's browser supports advanced features. You serve an enhanced layout with additional styling and functionality. That way, everyone gets a working version of the website. And those with modern browsers get the best experience possible. Fallback strategies ensure your content is accessible to all users. For browsers that don't support CSS Grid, we can use older, more broadly supported layout methods. This might include floats or flexbox. We can use feature queries, known as co-supports in CSS, to detect if the browser can handle certain CSS features. If not, we apply a simpler layout so the site remains usable. Here we have a simple HTML snippet demonstrating how to use feature queries for progressive enhancement. Fallback layout. We start by setting container to display flex so that older browsers can at least present these items in a row or wrap as needed. Feature queries. Using supports display grid, we overwrite the container's display property to grid and define grid template. Columns to create 3 equal with columns. Progressive enhancement this way. Modern browsers that support CSS Grid see the improved grid layout, while older browsers fall back gracefully to Flexbox. In conclusion, CSS Grid is a powerful, modern tool for building responsive, flexible layouts. By considering browser support, using progressive enhancement, and adding fallbacks for older browsers, we can ensure our websites remain accessible and attractive to a wide audience. Embracing CSS Grid helps us future-proof our designs and deliver the best user experience possible.